Friends, very important thing which you need to understand. You see, when the currencies falls, what will happen when the gold rise? Gold rise against dollar, right? Gold in the market is valued against the dollar first. So gold will rise against the dollar, which means the dollar will fall against the gold, right? When the dollar falls against the gold, all other currencies also, at the time of when the gold standard comes in or gold treasury bonds comes in US, all the other currencies will also, rather than measuring against the dollar, they will start measuring against their gold, what reserves they have. So that is why then their currencies also will fall. Now when currencies fall, very important thing which you need to understand, that who is the beneficiary, who is the loser. Let's talk about the loser. The loser is the one who will have provident money in their provident fund, in their PF, in their LICs, in their insurances, in their pension funds, right? So whoever is deposited in stock markets, because when you withdraw from the stock markets also you get the money, the value of that money will erode. So let's say even if you make 20% profit in your stock market, but still if the value of that currency itself falls by, like, say 25%, then you are actually in 5% loss. Forget about the inflation. So that is why we recommend that don't go with the stock market, because the value of currency itself will fall. That is why invest in assets. It will fall against what? It will fall against the real assets. The real assets like gold, commodities, silver, or even real estate. These are the physical, or oil. These are the things which has value, because any nation can export and make money. There will be demand for this. But the real currencies, the currencies that we have, these are all virtual, okay? So they will fall. Now who should benefit? Who will benefit when a currency falls? Who is the loser when the currency falls? Is the persons who have these FDs and all currencies. So now on the other side, who is the beneficiary? The beneficiary is the one who takes loans. So if you have a 1 crore liability, don't worry. The person who should actually worry is the person who has 1 crore FD, because his value is going to go down. If you had 1 crore and you invested 1 more crore, you take in 1 crore liability loan, and 2 crores you invested in real estate, you don't need to worry. The person who has 1 crore in FD has to worry. But what happens in reality, it is reverse. The person who has loan, he keeps on worrying when I will be paying the EMIs and all. And the person who has FD, he thinks I am safe. But it's actually reverse. The reality is reverse, and that is what is going to happen. That's why you follow our time machine. We will tell you exactly what exactly you need to do. So if you have a 1 crore loan, don't worry. The value of that loan itself will collapse, which means you can easily pay it. You can pay it when you have the real estate, which means you have to buy gold and real estate. Then you don't need to worry about paying off your EMIs and the loans, because the currency value will deplete. It will be easy. When it becomes trash, it becomes easy to purchase and sell it out. So that is why, guys, don't worry about the loans. Don't worry about 1 crore loans. It's not an issue as long as you are invested in right asset. Follow Time Machine and we will tell you the very important tips of finance, where it will make a lot of difference for you. Follow our channel, follow our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and you're going to make a lot of money. Thank you so much.